Look what we got here.
Looky, looky. We got us a cookie.
I picked this up from my buddy Adam. I actually helped him go pick it up from the guy's house here in town. And we started looking. He said it was a Dallas County truck. And we saw on the side, we can kind of like go up and down and see where the stickers used to be that said Dallas County.
Oh, that's real good.
All right, guys, our LS is in the truck. The Tejas Steelworks motor mounts, they went in smooth and easy.
Yep.
We've got their dual exhaust cross member, and that's our next project on the truck to tackle, is getting this cross member in. We got to drill us a couple of holes in the cross member, and then our engine is in there.
It's in.
Finna get started on this exhaust. Let me show you all my parts and pieces. This is a home jobby. We've got 4 footer 2.5, 2 2.5 90s, 4 exhaust hangers, bolts, flanges, gaskets, and mufflers. So now I just got to put all this together. I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna clean these flanges up, clean the ends of my pipe up, so that once I get everything where it needs to be, I can put some healthy tacks on there, drop everything out from underneath the truck, weld it all out. We'll bring you along, show you what we're doing.
Still welding?
I'm still tacking.
A lot of tacks, huh? You know what you're doing, Russell.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring it out as I go.
Okay.
Story of my life. Okay, so the next step on our truck, we're gonna start lining up our body panels that are adjustable individually.
Head to Palestine Tire Center, and they're gonna mount and balance and give us an alignment on our
Crusty.
Crusty.
It looks cooler without the camper. I like it.
I do too, but man, I like the freaking camper. That's why I bought the truck. Because it had a cool ass camper.
Well, it comes off easy.
First time seeing it without a camper. Now it's time.
It's a beat and bang.
We put the glass in, him and his, what was that, his grandson, he said?
Mm-hmm.
Grandson and another guy. But he also,
Got a rear view mirror.
yep, put a rear view mirror in here. This thing looks good. We didn't replace the back glasses, it wasn't broken. We just kept the
got new
original,
gasket.
New gasket, kept the original sticker. And then now we're on to the back bumper. We did it! Yeah. Now we just gotta weld it.
It's kicked down a little bit. You can see this.
Yeah, it's like this. That's for when the water, hits it, it rolls off.
Oh, okay.
That's what that's for. I'm gonna try to weld her up and make it look pretty. I haven't welded in like a month. I need to weld more often. Let's see what happens. I think I needed to focus more down on the bottom.
It looks good.